Today, we're diving deep into the common mistakes many drone pilots make in drone mapping and how to avoid them. Ensuring accuracy and efficiency in your aerial mapping projects is crucial, and avoiding these mistakes can make a significant difference in your results. So let's fly in. One of the biggest mistakes in drone mapping is inadequate planning. Before you even take off, make sure to research the area you'll be mapping, check for no-fly zones, potential obstructions, and weather conditions. This helps in avoiding mid-flight surprises and ensuring safety. You'll also want to use mapping software to design an efficient flight path that covers the entire area with the necessary overlap. Planning helps in maximizing battery life and ensuring comprehensive data collection. A pro tip is to think of planning as the blueprint for your project. The better your plan, the smoother your flight and data collection will be. Next, you'll want to make sure you're getting enough overlap. Proper overlap between images is crucial for creating accurate maps. A common error is not having enough overlap, leading to gaps in the data. A recommendation is to aim for around 80% front overlap and 75% side overlap. This helps in generating seamless maps and reduces the chances of stitching errors in the post-processing phase. More overlap might seem like overkill, but it's insurance against data gaps and errors. Consistent lighting is essential for accurate drone mapping. Mapping under partly cloudy conditions can result in variable light, causing shadows and inconsistencies in the data. Aim to map under consistently sunny or consistently cloudy conditions to ensure accurate assessment of certain features. Variable lighting can lead to significant errors in your final map. Early mornings and late afternoons often provide the most consistent lighting. Using incorrect camera settings can result in poor image quality, affecting the final map. For optimal settings, use manual mode to control shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Adjust these based on lighting conditions to avoid blurry or under or overexposed images. Depending on what you're mapping, you need to ensure that your camera is set to capture images at the highest resolution possible. For example, specialized plant mapping cameras are designed to capture specific wavelengths of light crucial for plant analysis, unlike modified consumer cameras that may lack precision and consistency. It's always good to do a test flight and review images to ensure settings are correct before full-scale mapping. Ground control points, or GCPs, are essential for accurate georeferencing. They are physical markers with precisely known geographic coordinates placed on the ground that provide accurate, real-world coordinates for drone-captured images. Place GCPs strategically throughout your mapping area to ensure they are visible in your images and accurately measured with a GPS device. They help in connecting any positional errors in your images, ensuring your maps are accurately aligned with real-world coordinates. Remember to use brightly colored markers for GCPs to ensure they are easily identifiable in your images. Finally, the work doesn't end when the drone lands. Inadequate post-processing can diminish the quality of your final map. For post-processing, it's important to use reliable software to stitch images together. Popular local-based processing software are Pix4D, WebODM, and Reality Capture. Check for any errors or gaps in the data and correct them as necessary. Also, ensure that your maps are georeferenced accurately. Lastly, review the final map thoroughly to ensure it meets the required standards. Just like anything, invest time in learning your post-processing software. It's as crucial as the flight itself. If you're interested in learning more about drone mapping, go check out our Drone Mapping Essentials course. Guided by industry veteran Dylan Gorman, you'll acquire the expertise to excel in intricate aerial mapping endeavors. Check out the links here or below. If you want hands-on training, we are also offering 2-day live workshops in multiple locations. You'll receive expert instruction, aerial mapping frameworks and be able to network with peers. Plus, you'll receive the online drone mapping course for free. Learn more in the links below. Overall, avoiding these common mistakes can greatly enhance the quality and accuracy of your drone mapping projects. By paying attention to these details, you can produce high-quality maps that meet professional standards and provide valuable insights for your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll get notified when we post new videos. And do you have any questions or drone mapping tips of your own? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.